How to send emails in Squarespace campaigns. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Squarespace. And then next, head over to your campaigns. You can find it by going to email campaigns right there. Once you're in here, you can see the campaigns that you have created, and you can also initiate a new campaign through this way. So what you can do in this case is we just need to create right here a campaign. So we have in here kind of emails like form submission, thank you, promotions, as well as other options. So on this case, you just need to head over and then edit at campaign that you want. For example, let's just read here sale. And then onto this case, you just need to create. Just right here how you want it made. Then from in there, head over and click on next in order to create it. You can see that it's been added as a draft, so you can head over and click on this edit icon. And then from in there, you just need to publish it as a blast once you're done editing and designing your email. Head over to the email type and you can see what the campaign looks like, and you can head over and send a test according to this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.